Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to create a Payoneer account. I will show you how to set up a brand new Payoneer account. Then you can follow this step to set up the Payoneer account. Okay, first I'm going to Google and type in Payoneer. Click Payoneer online payment processing platform. Okay, going to page like that, Payoneer account. Do you have any question about the payment solution or any account details? Then you can chat with them. They happy to help you guys. First, talk about a little bit Payoneer account, freelance. Click that. Then you can see that helping freelance get paid globally and grow their business, get paid and make a payment, manage business, get paid by marketplace, get paid by work, get paid by Fiverr, freelance payment processing, multi-currency about, send the invoice payment, and so many details. You can get that account details. Click that freelance and business and marketplace platform. You can see trust by million of marketplace sellers and service providers worldwide. You can see that payout pay in 190 plus countries, set up Payoneer account and manage currencies and payment collections and so many things that you can get. First register that account. After you register, then you can come into okay, you can see that sign in. Click this one, then come into page like that. You can see that Payoneer account, email, username, password. You can normally sign into account. You can select a business type, freelancing, business, startup, agencies, SME, marketplace, platform, marketplace, sellers, affiliate, e-commerce, and choose that topic below. Then you can see the international payment, online banking, account receivable, account payable, credit and debit cards, checkout, accounting, invoice, fraud, treasury, funding and financing, business taxes. And so you can follow that how to use Payoneer account. You can get more details about how to use Payoneer and want to make and receive cross border payment. Can get more details about how to use Payoneer, research and report, global business strategy, selling online tools and everything. First of all, then going to register, click that button, going to the page like that. Then you can choose the right Payoneer account type of your business needs. So you can select a freelance or service provider, online seller, marketplace, enterprise, small, medium size and businesses. In case I'm going to select the small, medium size businesses, click this one. Okay, then asking, then I'm looking for get full power Payoneer both and send receive global payments, make international payment of under 100k, make international payment for over 100k. They are going to click this one. Then we can see that less than 10,000. Okay, next level 10,000 to 50,000. Then we can select this one, 51,000 to 100,000. So if you want to go more than 100,000, you can click this one. Then I'm going to in the middle 10,000 between 50,000. I'm going to click this one. Okay, going to page like that. The right account for you is a freelance agency or services provider getting a paid client or via marketplace. Then you can register. Click this button. Before click button, then you can read get paid by a leading marketplace including Upwork, Fiverr, Getting Image and more, and get paid by a global client. Withdraw your earning to your local bank, withdraw funds and ATMs, payouts, supplies. Then you can go ahead and click the register. Okay, going to page like that. PR company registered LLC, then go ahead and select this one. If you are individual business owner, then go ahead and select individual. Then you can see the all details you have to fill up: first name, last name, email, re-enter email address and date of birth. Then you can click next. Okay, you're getting a second page. Then you can see that you have to fill up the all details. This one too, country. Okay, you have to select which country you are living right now. Then can go ahead. You can see so many countries. 190 plus countries you can available for Payoneer account. Okay, go ahead and select your country right now you live in. Then you can to, for example, if you live in the United States, then you have to fill up the all details, state, which state you live in, then street number, more address details, and city, town, postal code, then mobile number. Then you get in the verification code. Click send the code and enter the verification code. After you put your verification code, then you can click next. Okay, after you submit that phone code, then you get in the page like that. You can see that your username, email address, then you have to create the password. Then create the password, then you have to re-enter your password. They asking a security question, then you have to answer the questions. ID details, then United States of America using country of ID. Then social security, then you can click next. Alright guys, now we get in the final parts. We already done getting started page, then contact page, security details, almost done. Then you can add your bank details. Please add your bank details, bank country and US dollar currencies. Click here to bank account registration guide. Then you can click over here and check the details. Bank account registration guide, you can read if you have time. Then you can figure out what details you need to details. Bank name, account holder name, account number, routing number, account type. Go ahead and read. You can get more details about for your knowledge. Then we have to enter your bank name. You can select right here, example Bank of America. Okay, you can select and scroll down, Bank of America, Bank of Hope. Okay, go ahead and put your account number, then routing number, account type. You can select your account type, checking account or saving account. Okay, you can read and agree to terms and conditions. If you have time, go ahead and click and read it. Thank you for using our Payoneer services, which are governed by these terms and conditions. About Payoneer account, these terms and conditions: Payoneer services, service payment, get paid via receiving account, get paid through payment request, add funds, third party business account, keeping your Payoneer account safe, role management, closing your data, liability. Okay, you can get more details about for your knowledge. Read it if you have time. Then I'm going to cross this page and continue. Okay, if you have any question about how to find the routing number, then we can select this part, click here, that going to right here. You can see that the link, go ahead and click that link, going to the page like that. Check routing number. You can see that right here 9 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 numbers. That's a routing number. Then you can see the account number right here. This part is a check number, account number, routing number. Okay, final part, go ahead and submit your application. After you submit your application, is will send it to Payoneer account. They review your application. They will send you email back to you. Your account is already accepted. Then go ahead and log into your account. Alright guys, after you submitted all the bank details, then you have to come back Payoneer.com. Then you can see that sign in. Go ahead and click that sign button. Okay, then you have to put your email, username, password. After all the details, you log into your brand new Payoneer account. Okay, that's the way how to set up, how to create a brand new Payoneer account. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.